Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video today. We are doing a third day of the Magical Meadow bundle and then using the Winter Meadow designer paper. Just a reminder that if you place an order by Friday of $35 or more, you're going to get a kit of our card class projects that we made on Thursday for free. And then if you spend $50 or more, I'll send a pack of the Rhinestone Basic Jewels, which are great all year long. Okay, so today we're going to do another card, but this is very versatile. So even though it's got a little bit of a wintry feel, you can use this all year long. So we're going to use another sentiment that goes really nicely with the paper. And then we're going to use this image right here and die cut that. So let us get started. I am starting with a garden green card base. And the colors I'm using today aren't even necessarily wintry. I'm using Blueberry Bushel as my accent color. And then I've got this great paper that's got greens, lots of different greens, blues in it. Very pretty. So let's go ahead and assemble this. I love the back of this. This watercolor wash on the back of these designer papers are great background images that are nice and neutral. Okay, now this is kind of non-directional paper, so you pick whichever direction looks good to you. I'm going to do this direction. Okay, now let's do a little stamping. So I have a die cut rectangle. You could just cut one if you don't have the deckled rectangle dies, but I love these things. And then the set we're going to pair this with is Courage and Faith. I love these sentiments. Number one, I love the sayings in them. I love the font, and I love that they're kind of taller. So we're going to use Trust in the Lord with All Your Heart, which I think is really great for a lot of different things. It's great for thinking of you, if somebody's going through a hard time, anything like that. So we're using a Blueberry Bushel, and I'm going to stamp it over to the right, hopefully straight. Oh, that looks so pretty, doesn't it? I love these sentiments. Okay, I am done with that. Now we are going to bring in our it's kind of like a juniper, really, juniper branch with the little blue berries on it, or cedar, juniper, cedar, one of those two. So to get, I want a variety of colors, so what we're going to do is color with our markers, which we did the other day. And I am using a Blueberry Bushel. Oh, this is shade, I'm going to use Garden Green. I picked up my Shaded Spruce, and then Early Espresso. So what I think I'm going to do is color my berries first. Make sure to color with the side of your marker. If you go out of the line, it's okay, because we're going to color the greens and a little bit of brown on the twigs afterwards. But this image has quite a few little berries on it, so you want to make sure you get all of them. And if it's not perfect, it's okay. I'm having to pull my bifocals up here so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm just coloring one-handed here. All right, let's do our greenery. Okay. Let's see. We have Thanksgiving coming up, so let me wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving while I'm coloring here. We have some of the kids coming in, and my mom and sister. So they start coming in Tuesday, the kids come in Wednesday, and then the kids leave Saturday. And then I think, I don't know when my sister's leaving. I'll have to call, and my mother. So what does everyone do on the holidays with all your family? We play a lot of games. We take the, we just turn the dining room over, we put all the games out, and we play games all weekend. Games and eat. Might go see a movie, but mostly it's games and eating. Okay. Yeah, post your holiday traditions. What do you all do for the holidays when you get together? Post it in the comments. It's always fun to hear whatever other people do. Okay, I'm looking to see if there's any more brown that I need to put down. Okay, I think that's everything. All right, now we're going to give it a good huff. We're going to stamp it on some scrap paper. Let's give it a good huff. It's a big one, so you want to re-moisten that. Oh, that looks so pretty. I love getting the different colors on an image. I just think that's gorgeous. It takes an extra minute or two, but I think it's just beautiful. All right, so we can die cut this. So we have this really nice big, whoop, this one goes with it. And you can just put this over here, run it through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and then it comes out just like that. It has a little piece right in here, so you want to make sure that is popped out. All right, so let's do a little assembly. We're going to use some linen thread, and then let's pop this up first. Oh, I'm going to put 4 on here of our dimensionals. Okay. I like the big ones for putting larger pieces of, or larger layers together. All right, now I'm going to take, I want to do a double bow. So I'm going to take a couple lengths of the linen thread. Let's get that even. Whoop. All right, I'm having some string issues here. All right, we'll cut that in half. And then I'm going to thread these through that little hole that's a die cut and tie it around this little branch, and we'll do a bow. Okay, you want to make sure your ends are pretty even. Maybe your right side a little bit longer than the left. Okay, pull it tight, and then you can take these tails and then pull them in a little bit and adjust it to the size bow you want. I don't need a huge bow, I just want to have a little fun texture on there. And then we'll pop this up as well. I think we just need 2. Right next to our sentiment. That is so cute. Okay, let's use a little wink of Stella on our berries, just for a little sparkle. You want to be careful not to do too much around, because sometimes it will, this wink of Stella will pick up the color and spread it around. See, you see a little blue tinge when I wipe it off? Because it will go and blend. Okay, one day we'll color with that wink of Stella and see what that looks like. Okay, let's grab our Tinsel Gems 4-pack. It comes with 4 different colors, beautiful, but this is my random one. We have to use this up before we can open the new pack. And I'm using the Blueberry Bushel gems. These are so pretty. I love this color. And do one there, and then one right here. And that is it. I mean, how beautiful and quick and easy was that? We have to, oh, we've got to put a white one on the inside. When I make cards, sometimes if I know the specific purpose, I'll put an inside verse, but usually I like to wait because I'm not sure what I'll be using them for. All right, that's it. And the measurements will be on my blog along with the list of supplies that I used. So I hope you enjoyed today's project, and have a very happy, safe, and healthy Thanksgiving. And I will see you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.